All right, you guys, so we have our gut workshop coming up in just a few weeks, and I'm really excited to get to sit with you guys and go over really interactive and logical steps that you can take towards improving the overall health of your gut for you and for your family. If you think you have gut problems, don't feel bad about this. You are absolutely 100% not alone. In fact, in a recent study that just came out, over 60% of people in the US today suffer from gut issues. So those are problems that a lot of us have. Things like heartburn and reflux and abdominal issues, abdominal pain, bloating, constipation, IBS, diarrhea, nausea, dysphagia. And one of the problems that we're seeing is that not only are we getting them more and more commonly, but they're happening to younger and younger people. And actually they're more readily affecting more educated people than anything else. And there's a lot of reasons for this, but when it comes down to your gut, stress is a huge factor. Your nutrition, your diet's a huge factor. How you exercise, all those things taken place into account. So sometimes we get so busy in our own lives thinking that we're working and taking care of our families, and we forget to honor our gut and our GI tract. And really when you look at it, there's a cool thing that shows that 95% of our serotonin and 50% of our dopamine are actually made inside of our GI tract. And so this is really our second brain inside of our body. The only way that we absorb nutrients and turn them into cells are through our gastrointestinal system. And with bad foods and frankenfoods and processed foods and bad diets, we're seeing more and more people have these gut issues and problems that are leading to even bigger issues down the road. And so what we're gonna go through at our workshop is really how to work on getting a nice healthy gut. Typically your gut that's a single cell lined structure should have tight junctions that allow food to pass through appropriately. And for a lot of us, we're getting these leaky, inflamed guts that allow this massive immune response. And this is what leads to the nutrient absorption problems, autoimmune issues, food intolerances, blood-brain barrier issues, and this systemic inflammation that we're seeing that's causing so many different diseases and problems. And so we've been testing patients for these issues in our office for almost a decade now, and finding that a lot of people who we take care of, who have chronic pain, who have arthritis in their bodies, who don't feel like they're healing properly, who feel lethargic, we're seeing these massive markers for inflammation problems, dysbiosis, metabolic imbalances. We're even seeing people who have systemic gut infections going on. And now after having done more than 500 of these tests, I'm gonna take the most common results of those and help you guys really get an understanding of where to go if you have gut problems, how to work on healing your gut from the inside out, and really developing an action protocol so you can keep you and your family healthy for a lifetime. The workshop is October 26th in our office from 9 to 11 a.m. Can't wait to see you guys there.